Actually, doesn't look too bad. Camp mat fragrance. Ooh, nice and warm. Oh my God. This moto just ran with this. Holy shit. I ended up doing this wrong. That's why you always change your spark plugs. Question, how many guys actually know what this is and know how to use it? Or still use one to this day? Dude, the littlest thing can fuck up a Mopar engine. I swear. Always hand tighten them first. Make sure you don't strip the fucking threads. This thing's one of my children. I've put so much time into it now. It's like my baby. Fuck, dude, I've got years into this truck. I got it over 10 years ago, and I'm just now getting around to doing the spark plugs, damn it. Everything takes time and money, and when you're building a house and an RC park, cars kind of get put on the back burner. So how bad do you think my valve cover leaks? Anybody? It was like this when I fucking got it. Somebody was not nice to this damn thing, dude. At all. So anyway, I think I found my oil leak. And that's probably running down the oil pan. It's looking like from the top. See how it's everywhere? Definite valve cover, dude. It's even trying to leak between the gasket there from the intake and shit. I think I got better valve covers in the house. We gotta clean them up though. They were in the cab of that other parts truck. Fuck, that's gross. Scrap it. And this doesn't even match the Champ. Wow, you guys are buttholes. This thing's been in here forever. And the oil deposits is because, look, once again, the valve cover from... I think I found my misfire, folks. Jeez Louise. Time for valve covers again. I just did these gaskets too last frickin' spring. It's been a year. They're so beautiful, aren't they? These old trucks. Well, I decided to think outside the box. I don't like how they have their shit. I don't like things to touch. I'll go through extreme lengths just to make sure my plug wires don't touch. Case in point. I think it looks amazing. Today. Get closer to winter time, that's why we're making sure this shit's working. That thing was running smooth, dude. It's the nicest it's ever ran. I think it needed better plugs. wet. It's water. She's purring like an overgrown kitten. God, she's beautiful. It's hard to believe I've had you over 12 years, old girl. Goddamn time I gave her a tune-up. Shit. She barely ran. What do you expect? Like, this is the most she's ran, you know, in these videos, so don't bust my balls too bad for that. Like, I'm just now getting it going. Like I said, we were building a house. You know. Oh, that sounds sweet. I'm gonna let this run a bit. Maybe we'll put this overflow tank in and figure out how to fix this core support some tweaker fucked up. They stole my radiator. See you in the next episode. Peace. The joys of having really scarred knuckles is when you rip one of the scars off, it doesn't even bleed.